Alright, so we have a 2021 BMW M4 Competition. Just going to do a quick walk around to show the overall condition of the vehicle. So this vehicle is equipped with the M Performance Carbon Fibre kit. So the front lip. This one also has the carbon fiber on the air inlets there. Since we're here, BMW laser headlights. So we'll see the carbon fiber skirt kit goes along the side here as well, with the flares out by the rear wheel arch. Wheels are in excellent shape. Vehicle is optioned with the black calipers, so the M compound brakes with black calipers. We've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S star rated tires specific for the M4 and M3. Going around to the back, see the again, wheel is in excellent shape, no curbing. Of course, with the M4 we've got a carbon fiber roof. This one also has the carbon fiber mirrors. More carbon fiber for the fenders and for the badging on the side. Rear spoiler, carbon fiber. Notice there's no door dings on the vehicle. It's in excellent shape all the way around. More parts of the Performance kit, and then the factory would have had the rear diffuser on this one in carbon fiber as well. There is 3M stone film along this bumper just to help protect for loading things in and out. All the carbon work is in really nice shape. Again, get over to the back wheel on the side here. Excellent shape, no curb rash. Looking down the side of the vehicle, not seeing any kind of dings. Got a little bit of brake dust on this wheel, but still in fantastic shape. Obviously that will all clean up. There is stone film protection, partial fenders and hood to protect kind of the most vulnerable areas. The front plate bracket was never installed, so there's no holes or anything where the factory plate bracket would have attached. There is more 3M stone film on the door, so just to protect, again, a potentially vulnerable area. On the inside, we've got the carbon buckets and Performance sill plates going on here. Carbon fiber trim in the vehicle. Seats are in excellent shape. Tiny bit of wear on the Merino leather right there, but certainly not unusual. They are aggressive seats, so you sometimes will see a little bit of wear there. $18,187 kilometers on the dial. tasteful tint on the glass as well. Not too dark, but really nice look. Works with the contrast on this vehicle with dark wheels, dark carbon trim, the lighter Brooklyn gray metallic paint, which does have a very nice metallic to it. Very nice clean example of the latest iteration of the M4 Competition. Again, 2021, just 18,000 kilometers. Thanks for watching, and if you do want to see more BMW content, consider a like and a subscribe. It's always appreciated.